Welcome. My name is Annie, and I'm proud to represent Mr. Dai Tran and Louisville Beauty Academy. Today's session covers how to transfer your training hours or license in nail technology, aesthetics, cosmetology, shampoo and styling, or instructor training to Kentucky. Whether you are licensed or still completing your hours, this presentation will help you take your next step legally and confidently. This training is for individuals who are either already licensed elsewhere or have completed clock hours in another state but are not yet licensed. It applies to all program areas: cosmetology, nails, aesthetics, shampoo styling, and instructor training. Kentucky's State Board of Cosmetology only accepts license or hour certifications that come directly from the licensing board of the other state, not from schools or students. This protects you and ensures authenticity. School transcripts alone won't work. Kentucky requires a specific number of training hours for each license. If your current state required fewer hours, you'll need to make up the difference at a Kentucky licensed school like Louisville Beauty Academy. Texas aligns well with Kentucky's requirements. Florida and some other states often fall short, especially for cosmetology and aesthetics. California sometimes exceeds Kentucky's hours, but exam types must still be verified. If you are licensed in a state that used NIC exams, Kentucky may waive retesting. But if your original test was not NIC-based, you may need to take Kentucky's PSI exam. Because the rules change often, always email the board to confirm your exact case. Kentucky works with PSI, a national testing provider. PSI administers both theory and practical exams, fully aligned with the NIC standards that Kentucky follows for licensure. For the nail technician licensing exam, PSI offers multilingual options including English, Spanish, simplified Chinese, Vietnamese, and Korean. This makes it easier for diverse communities to succeed legally and confidently in their professional journey. The best way to protect yourself and avoid delays is to communicate by email. Always email kbciki.gov so you have a written, time-stamped record of everything. While phone calls are fine for follow-up, only email gives you documentation. To transfer your hours or license, you must submit identification, proof of education, a 2x2 passport-style photo, and a certification of hours or license that must be sent directly from your current licensing board to Kentucky's board. If your current hours are short for Kentucky's requirements, you can enroll with us at Louisville Beauty Academy. We'll credit your eligible hours and help you complete only what's missing. Most students who transfer in already have enough hours, but they're unsure how to navigate Kentucky's licensing exam process. That's why we offer an 80-hour brush-up course for any license type: cosmetology, nails, aesthetics, shampoo styling, or instructor, to help you practice, review, and confidently pass the PSI exam. We are proud to be Kentucky's most affordable and flexible beauty school, with almost 2,000 graduates. We follow the law, train to exam standards, and welcome everyone, no matter your language, schedule, or financial situation. Our mission is your success. If you're ready to transfer your hours or license, or if you just need help understanding what to do next, contact us anytime. Texting at 502-625-5531 or email is the fastest. We're open Monday to Friday and welcome walk-ins 8 a.m. 4 p.m. Thank you for choosing to grow with Louisville Beauty Academy.